Hey, your header look like this? Don't worry, from today you will make something like this. My name is Abhishek Raj, you are watching Bicoder, and to support me you don't have to pay. Just click on that like and subscribe button, and let's start after this small intro. So first we will make a folder. So here I make a folder header, then open your text editor. So I am using VS Code and open that folder, create your index file, index.html, and another file style.css. In index file we will write exclamation mark and press enter. So this much code will be auto completed for you. Link your style.css, and after that I am making a div and I will give it a class name header. Go in CSS file, paste that header, and let me first open this in my browser. So this is basically our index.html file, which is totally blank now. And the first step, I will make the header. First of all, width will be 100 view width, height and giving background will be transparent because I am giving body background black. So here, so for now I am writing this red, you can see, and there is a problem here that from this side and this side there is a margin. So to remove that, we will write here a universal selector and write here margin 0 to remove that all unwanted margins. So this is basically, this will be our header. So inside header, what we are going to use, we will use section. I'll copy this section. So first will be like home, second will be this, all will be inside a div, and there will be another div s3 and give it name logo. You can see here I will change its white and this will be black. In header there is a problem that we want first here logo, then this home services field would be like right here in header display flex. To align this all, we have to give here class menu and copy this menu, go there, write display flex in menu. Our problem is solved, but we have to align it properly. For that, this we have to take h3, that is our logo, and I will provide it width of 10%. In header we have to also write align item center, so from vertically it will be in center. h3 display flex, and this time justify content center. In menu we will give off width, like the total width is 100%, the total width is 100%, and the h3 means logo I have taken 10%, then remaining 90% will be of menu. So I will write here width 90% and justify content space evenly. But now we have to style it little bit. For that we will go to Google font, I will copy this font. Just I will click here and select this, copy this link and paste it inside the head tag, and copy this font family and paste inside H3. So here logo has changed and I will increase it font size. Again go here, copy this Roboto font 400, copy link, paste inside the head tag again, copy this one and paste inside the name. So this is done. And now I am going to change the color of Navbar to black and S3 color will be white and menu color also will be white. So here, so you can see our Navbar is looking something like this, and I will give 40%. So here this is looking now more attractive, and increase the font size of your logo. So here you can see till now we have completed our header, and the next step we have to make is to give here a UL. We have to make a drop down. So to make a drop down, like in services feature, here I want a drop down. When I bring my mouse, then a drop down should be shown here. So for that, inside the section where services is written, so right here after the services, and inside that section after the services you have to write a UL and give a LI, and I will write it web development, second app development. So here you can see the both are present, but we don't want it like this. We have to hide it, and it will be shown when the mouse will be hovered on service. So for that I will give a ID name service, last name to this UL drop down, and style this drop down little bit. So for that I will write list style none. So this you have seen the both dot have removed, and now we have to hide this. So I will write display none. So it is gone, but when I hover the services, nothing is happening. So to show that, I have to copy this ID services, because it will only appear when I will hover on services, not on this feature and home. So that's why I have written a special ID name for that services. So to call ID, you have to write hashtag and then service, and I will write here when we will hover. So this is when we will hover on services, I am writing, and then the drop down will be displayed block. So let's see what is happening. So it is displaying, but something is problem, and that problem is its position. So I will write position absolute, and in this services we have to write position relative. So let's see. So you can see now it is working. We have to write here width max content. Let me see. So first problem is solved. Second problem is background color is transparent, so I will write here background color black. Let's see. Now I will see here the service drop down is working properly, but alignments are not looking good, so I will give here padding of 20 or some pixels. You can see it in your own way how much you need. So here that problem is gone, that alignment is now in center, but these both are like very close, so to make a distance between them, that is the li. So in HTML you can see this is the web development and app development, these both are li, and we need that margin between these both. So now we have to style this li, and I will write here margin top 10 pixels. So now let me see. So this, the distance is increased and now it is looking much better. We will style it little bit more. So padding I will give here 5 and 10 pixels. And now for that hover effect, I will copy this li and hover, and basically what we are going to do is, now this background is black and text are white. So when we will hover, I will change the background in white and text into black, just opposite. For that I will just write here background will be white and color will be black. Just hover on that, so you can see, and I will write cursor pointer. So just hover this, and how properly it is working. So this was basically a video, friends, to show you how you can make a custom header in your own. Here you can see this, you can make drop down also in your own, how properly it is working. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. So see you in next video with another topic.